Alright everyone, quick little video. I just realized that tomorrow it's my nephew Hendrix's birthday party, and I gotta prep up the guitar and the amp and the whole package. So I gotta go to Harbor Freights and go get a soldering machine so I could solder this, and I need my own soldering machine so I could eventually modify all my triggers, alright, for my electric drum kit, because I have all the parts. And I'm gonna take one of each, and then I took pictures of this, obviously, and I took pictures of this. Alright, so they can know exactly what it's for. I took a picture of everything, my kit, my guitar, this, zoom in, and I'm taking this as a sample. I'm waiting for this to finish uploading so I could put a new video so I could take off. I'm going to take another hit discreetly, you know. Batteries charging. But yeah, so to be honest, my peeps, you're not going to believe me, but I'm just so determined. I haven't slept. I stood up all night video editing. And I've been up all day. Yep. Just video editing, right? And then let me give you guys a little catch up. So as far as the corrupted files, man, I realized that with HitFilm, this editing program, the software, there's nothing corrupted. It gets all of them. It's that stupid cheap ass it's that cheap ass movie maker. It's so cheap, so basic. Yeah, so that fucked me up. So I lost a lot of footage because I deleted. But luckily, one of the old SD card, I don't know, I just managed to have some of those high ones, and so I'm video editing all the high resolution ones. Yeah, those take longer. Like this one was like literally almost 40 minutes. So yeah, so the point is that I'm gonna be able to edit all the high quality, the 4K, 2K, 1080, all the settings that this camera has, you know. And I'm no longer gonna edit with Movie Maker, even though I'm fast. That's why I did it with Movie Maker, man. Because this one is much more tedious and much more to learn, and you know, it's a learning curve and all that stuff. So I really haven't even learned or mastered it. I have to actually rewatch some videos of how to. But yeah, so just recap, refreshing my mind. But yeah, so this is what I'm gonna be using. Fuck, man. So there you go, my peeps. So right now, I'm gonna get ready, and I'm taking my ass to Harbor Freights. Right now, I'm gonna get a solder machine for this and for electronics, and then for myself for the future projects, which is future videos. Alright, we're gonna continue to modify my custom electric drum kit. Alright, everyone. Yeah, because I don't like these big old blocks, so I want to remove these big old blocks. You see these on all the cymbals? Because look, it has like double-sided tape, and it looks tacky, and this thing's heavy, and I'd rather just modify them and switch them out for these right here, which is the one that is here on the you can barely see it. You can see that sphere. Oh yeah, it's right there behind this little cushion. Yeah, so get better response, because yeah, look, see these big old things for the hi-hat. So I'm gonna modify them, and look at this big old one. Oh man, this for the right. So there you go, man. I'm gonna modify those future videos, and I still got organized. But right now I'm just focusing on video editing. I got a video editing, because once I get this video and all this content, I can make big moves. I can reach out to a lot of companies and everything, and get out of this situation and help as many people as I can. But alright, my peeps. So I'll record when I'm out of here, and then when I get to Harbor Freights, and then hopefully I find the soldering thing, and whoever's gonna help me, they could help me, take care of me, and take care of you guys. And alright, laters everyone. Alright, my peeps, so I got everything. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go to Harbor Freights. This one's already uploading. That gives me no time to go and come back. I already took my head. The only thing that's plugged in is this, and I'm out of here. Alright, everyone, so I'm gonna record and then when I get to Harbor Freights. Alright, everyone.
In 150 feet.
Alright, my peeps, we're leaving. Alright, we're out of here. I got the case on, so I don't know if the sound's gonna be good, but we're here. Hopefully that shit is open. I don't know, it looks pretty empty. I don't know, there's people in there. So I can get some solder machine for like $6. I checked online, it was like $6. $6. Use the fours. Which one? This one. Alright. Jeez, all I need is the fours. Chingon. Alright. Oh. I think this is it. Yep. 30 watts, $6, but I don't know what else do you need. What else do you need to solder? Do you need the little crap? I'm gonna ask. I'll be back. Let me just show my pictures and everything. I'll be back. Expensive ass shit, dude. So I'm just gonna get this and this. Hopefully that makes it work. I don't need this. To use something else. Another little sponge. That's just $2 for a little fucking sponge. Nah. So I asked the guy. They don't know nothing here. So I'm just watching some videos. The good old homie.
It makes the solder come out, and it basically lets you feed and hold the solder and the gun.
Yeah, so
This leaves your other hand free to do cool things. It leaves your hand free to hold whatever it is that you're soldering. And guys, I cannot tell you.
alright, everyone. So it's a done deal. I got it, homies. I got it. So look, check it out. Ay, cabrón. My bad. So check it out. We got Harbor Freights, Huntington Park, sale. We got 2 items. Solder. And then the actual little pen. Paid with a 20, was 11. The rest is going to be for gas. Because I don't have no gas. So I got to pump some gas, obviously. But yeah, so hopefully this works out. If not, I could return it. And then I was looking at Amazon, you know, 20, 30 bucks, you know, for a few more dollars. I could just return this and then just get a few more dollars and then upgrade and get the one with the roller, the one that feeds it. Alright, everyone. I'm out of here, man. I'm hungry. I'm going to go get some food. If Fatburger's open, I'm going to go. I know y'all were like, well, I saw Central Vegan. What happened? Hey, man. I like Fatburger, man. I really do. From all the spots, all the burgers, like Burger King, Jack in the Box, McDonald's, Farmer Boys, In-N-Out, you name it. But yeah, that's some other stuff. Alright, my peeps. I am out of here. I got things to do, man. I gotta solder this thing. Hopefully it works out. Alright? And thanks Harbor Fry Tools for hooking it up. Alright, everyone. Peace, love, and health. Alright, laters. Alright, my peeps, so I'm back. So after Harbor Frights on the way back, I went to Tom's. I got a chicken avocado burger. That thing was bomb. I destroyed it. Almost everything, dude. Just left a few fries. I was really hungry. Well, I haven't slept, and I've been using a lot of energy. So I'm gonna keep editing. I'm gonna finish editing everything. I'm actually gonna even upload and edit this stuff. All this footage from this SD card. And yes, I'm gonna jam out. You know, get it out of my system. And for sure, I'm gonna set up the table. And I'm gonna move some stuff out of the way. And I'm gonna put like that cloth, put the guitar, and then solder it. Hopefully I can solder it. And I'm gonna watch a couple videos too. In the meantime, hopefully I can see and get an idea how to go about the wiring and all that stuff. Cause I really want to go about it the proper way, the correct way. You know, I don't want to do a shitty job. So and I had this thing closed because flies and mosquitoes, you know, and I don't want to be dealing with them fuckers. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Cause I don't really feel that good because I haven't slept. I'm gonna sleep by here in the parking lot. Fuck it, dude. Hopefully it's nice and quiet. And by 5, 6, I should be up. I'm gonna try to go to sleep by midnight, the latest, if I can push it to that. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Finish editing, do the soldering before I go to sleep. I have to get the soldering thing for sure. All right, everyone. All right, peace, love, and health. I'll just record once I do the soldering. I'm just gonna be video editing, smoking, and thinking, but eventually I'll set it up. All right, everyone. All right, welcome back, girls and boys. So I set up. This thing is still uploading. I'm almost done video editing everything except what's inside here in this SD card. Which I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna just get this done, and that's it. I'm knocking out. I'm shutting down. So I'm struggling. Fucking tired. Shit, I'm tired. Done. And if they need to replace any wires, I got some right here. Even though this is stranded, that's solid. Oh, my bad. This flash. All night. There you go. So what up? My approach, I'm just gonna desolder each terminal wherever there's splice is soldered in, and then just go one by one and like redo it all over again, and then hopefully it works, and then I'll just tie up the knobs and all that good stuff.